Madhrubhumi began its journey on 18th March 1923 with a small hand-operated cylinder press. Soon it became the heartbeat of Malayali life and the country's independence struggle. The journey had the blessings of Mahatma Gandhi and the national leaders. Soon, with fearless and truthful approach, it became the mirror image of India's freedom struggle. Madhrubhumi was Kerala's only newspaper to be born out of the crucible of freedom struggle. Braving the threats and challenges posed by the British Empire, editor K.P. Keshava Menon and the first managing director K. Madhavan Nair led Madhrubhumi in those times of hardships. On the 6th of April 1930, Madhrubhumi became a daily. Till then, the newspaper was published only thrice a week. On Jan 13th, 1934, Mahatma Gandhi visited Madhrubhumi, thus making it the only newspaper in Kerala to be visited and blessed by Gandhiji. Unveiling K. Madhavan Nair's photograph, Mahatma Gandhi said, quote, "My friends have told me that Madhrubhumi is a totally self-reliant organization. This is a rare position not many Indian newspapers could achieve. Thus, Madhrubhumi occupies a lofty position among newspapers in India." Unquote. With the blessings of Gandhiji, Madhrubhumi treaded the path of various social reform movements. On the 1st of April 1924, the Vaikom Satyagraha began under the leadership of Madhrubhumi founding editor K.P. Keshava Menon. Madhrubhumi's editors and managing directors were freedom fighters too. On the first day of the Vaikom Satyagraha itself, K.P. Keshava Menon was arrested and jailed. Only after Vaikom Satyagraha, the lower castes of Kerala were granted the right to use pathways within Travancore temples. The Guruvayur Satyagraha to gain the right to worship for lower castes at temples began under the leadership of Madhrubhumi editor K. Kelappan. The legendary Payanur Uppukurukkal Satyagraha of 1930 to distill seawater and extract salt was led by Madhrubhumi editor K. Kelappaji. Another glorious episode for Madhrubhumi was its fight for the right of widows to get remarried. In 1937, the first university in Kerala was established, realizing Madhrubhumi's long-standing dream to have such a university. The campaign to get a university, started in Kerala, was initiated through an editorial published on 25th December 1931. Madhrubhumi can claim the leadership of putting forward the idea of a united Kerala instead of a state divided into three. The campaign to start the first medical college in Malabar was also initiated by Madhrubhumi. In March 2001, Madhrubhumi initiated a campaign against a highly poisonous pesticide, endosulfan, pointing out the unusual birth defects of many of the children in Enmagaje village. The Right to Drinking Water campaign at Plachimara that gained the world's attention had Madhrubhumi Managing Director MP Virendra Kumar at the helm. Today, Madhrubhumi has the best of technology anchoring its operations. The voice of Kerala's cultural renaissance, Madhrubhumi Weekly began its journey in 1932. One of the best media publishing houses in Kerala, Madhrubhumi Books provides Malayalis with the best of creative writing. Madhrubhumi's Club FM 94.3 is Kerala's favorite FM channel.
Club FM 94.3.
Madhrubhumi News, Madhrubhumi's Malayalam news channel, was launched in March 2013. Within 2 years, the channel has become the most trusted news channel in Kerala. Kappa TV, the only contemporary youth channel in Kerala, was also launched along with Madhrubhumi News. Another recent success story is the digital newspaper and web TV, the first of its kind in India. The latest entrant to the fold is Red Mike. The events division, Mojo Rising, a spectacular music concert on February 21st, 2015 was the launch event. Today, Red Mike continues to be a success story. By absorbing even the smallest of changes at social level, by presenting the latest in Kerala politics, by bringing the in-depth picture of cultural Kerala, by making a mark for the new Kerala, by opening new avenues, Madhrubhumi continues its journey. With Kerala, with its people, with transparency and with trust.